Okay, welcome back to the next crazy large unboxing from S.E.R Safety. Here we go. Bubble wrap. Just what I wanted. Kitty B5 right here, but it's made by a different company. I've never had one of these pull stations. And we also have 1, 2, 3 more. We have a notifier BNG1 and I have a ton of these. So that's nothing new. But here is something new. A white Siemens ZNS. I have a red version, but I've never had a white version. So this is cool to add to my collection. And another B5. Next layer. Got a lot of cool stuff in here. Just got a BG8, Fire-Lite alarms. I already have a couple of these in my collection. We got a couple of these 270 SPOs here, and they're made by a company called Me, I'm guessing, that looks like ME. And I have 270 SPOs, but not by this company, so one of these will be really cool to add to my collection. We also have a Wheelock AS. These right here are two Johnson Controls BG12LXs. Now here's my question, and if any of you know the answer to this, please let me know in the comments below. Since Johnson Controls owns Simplex, will these addressable devices work on addressable Simplex panels like the 4010? We've got a Commander 1 strobe with the mounting bracket. I do have a Commander 1, but not the strobe only version, so this would be cool to add to my collection. And we have a few more Commander 1s just without mounting brackets. Another Firelight BG8. Now this is something that's really cool that I've never had in my collection. It is a Siemens alert strobe. And what you do with this is you mount another alarm on top of this, and you could have like a fire alarm combination alert strobe thing, or you could have like a speaker on this, so the speaker, can do general announcements, and when there's an emergency, the strobe can flash the alert while the speaker plays an emergency message or something like that. There's a lot of things you can do with this. Okay, next layer of bubble wrap. We got another Wheelock AS. This right here is a Commander 1 horn strobe, and it does have the mounting bracket, which is nice. We've got two Edwards single action SIGA pull stations. 3 more Wheelock ASs. Right here is just a nice and standard BG10. These are really nice pull stations to add to a collection if you ask me. And we have the all-famous unbranded Simplex T-Bar. The model of this is 49.9-9012. Alright, next layer of bubble wrap. Okay, right off the bat here, we have an FCI MS6. And it has its own back box, which is pretty cool. I have never had one of these back boxes, and I've never had an MS6. We have a few more nice and standard BG10s. Like I said, these are great for collection use. We've got a couple more single action SIGA pull stations. This is something that's actually really rare. It's an addressable Gamewell Sentry, and it also has kind of a little key switch thing there in the back. Here's 2 more of them. Again, super rare. Right here you got your standard Simplex addressable single action T-bar. And this right here is an Ademco pull station. I might have the key for this, I might not, I'll have to check. And we got this right here. This right here is a Siemens newer style MT. Full model number is HS-MC-R. I actually don't have one of these in my collection, and I'm super glad to now add one to my collection, as I've always wanted one. Alright, final layer here. We have a few more of these very rare Gamewell Sentries. We have a Simplex 2901-9845 horn only here. And this is a rare device, by the way. And there's 3 more of these, and then also 1 more right there. Here's something that is extremely rare. I've never seen this in the building. Looks like it's an American Time and Signal T-Bar. This device is super rare, hard to get, and I've wanted one for a long time. And here's the second one, and it looks like these are 0.2 Candela, and the model of it is 897B-001. Well, we have nothing really left in this box here. If we kind of turn, you can see those are all the alarms that I unboxed. A lot of this stuff I'm going to be keeping for my personal collection, and some of the stuff I already have I'm going to be selling. So if you're interested in any of this stuff, I offer great deals on my eBay account. Go check that out, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and have an amazing day.